Good morning, everybody. Just got down here to the water. It is about 7 o'clock and I'm waiting for Caleb. We are going to be doing a little bit of pond hopping. Hopefully we'll catch some slaunches. And stay tuned. We'll get them. So I told Caleb to be here at 7 o'clock. It is 7:09. He's running a little bit late, but that does not mean I don't have to fish. There he is. Always running about 10 minutes. So the first spot didn't work out as planned, so we're heading to spot 2. We're probably gonna fish a lot of spots today, so hopefully we can stick some fish. Just got to spot 2. We got running water, which is always good. Oh, Caleb's got one. Spit a bait and running water.
Watch them eat it. Oh, you come out fast. Fast.
Just pick him up. There it is. Kind of saw that coming.
What's on Tiger?
First bass in a good while for him. Skadoosh.
I watched you.
Where were we at for the last couple of days?
We're at Lake Anna, Virginia.
Show off your little wristband.
Love Lake Anna.
There you go. Now we're about to love some bass. Caleb. Caleb, come here. Oh.
He did it. That's a big one too. It's every bit of 3 pounds.
It's a slaunch though.
Can't get any batteries for it.
3.9.
3.9?
Yeah. Alright. That sounds about right.
Yeah. What is yours though?
3.7. 3.6, 3.7. Good fight. See you later, bud. There she goes.
Let's count. 4 days.
So on that fish, I was using a Texas rigged crawl with a 3/8 ounce flipping weight. All I did was throw in that running water and he took it. He almost made me fall in the water, but it's okay. That's 2 on the day. Me and him have 1 each. Hopefully we can catch more. Well, come here. Oh. Ooh. Where'd you hook him at? The top?
Yeah.
No, there's nothing up there. Nice, another 2-pounder. 2-3. Oh wait, what was yours? 2.5? Another nice one in the running water. Oh. See you later, Steve. Oh. There that one go. He said, let me try that real quick. That would have been number 3. But he was only a small guy. All right, the running water stopped producing, so we're gonna get up and go to another spot. Don't know where yet, but we'll probably throw some swim baits or something. We'll maybe stop at a gas station and refuel. So see you then.
That's the camouflage one that I've had for years.
We just got to spot number 3. Had to get some fishing fuel. Hopefully we'll catch a big one. There was an 8 lost in this lake right here this past week. So hopefully I can get them. Oh God,
Oh,
I saw it happening. Got one first cast. There we go. So on that, white fluke backlashed into a fish. That's what you see. I don't want to let him go right here, so I'll give him a little 10 out of 10. So we're coming up on spot 5. We've got a little trek in the woods, but that's nothing to it. Hopefully this pond will produce. You saw this pond in a previous video of mine. Let's go catch some fish. Oh no, I had one. I lost one in the pads. Caleb's got a pound fish. You're good. Caleb got another brute, another half pounder, whatever it is.
Later, Anna.
Nope. I know. Good job, buddy. Got one. Oh, there he goes. Stop, buddy. There we go. Ah, same size as yours. I saw him come up and eat it. Bye, Rico. Still throwing that white fluke.
When you lose the game 45 to 40. I'm sorry.
So we're heading out after 3 or 4 hours of fishing. I caught 3 or 4. Caleb caught 3. Not a bad morning. Now it's time to go to Sucky work. You want to say anything before we head out?
Had a good time, and I wish we could have caught more, but it is what it is.
Now we got a mile trek. See you in the next video.